Welcome students in the organic chemistry lecture series. Today in this video we have to study this point, that is alkylation of terminal alkynes. Okay. In previous video I have explained why terminal alkynes are acidic in nature, why the proton of alkynes is acidic. For example, if I take this acetylene, then this proton of acetylene is acidic in nature. So first of all, we will recap why the terminal alkynes are acidic in nature. So if we consider the alkene and alkyne, we know that in alkene there is a double bond, in alkyne there is a triple bond. But what is the difference between these two, alkene and alkyne? Due to this double bond and triple bond, what happens if we consider the alkene, then the acidity difference is there. If we calculate the pK value of alkene, then it is near about 44. Okay, and if we see the pK of this acetylene, then it is about 38. So we can say that the alkyne is more acidic as compared to the alkene. Okay, this is we can reveal from the pK values. So pK of alkyne is less as compared to pK of alkene. So we can say that alkynes are more acidic as compared to alkene. So this can be explained with this. The difference of acidity is the result of hybridization of the carbon atom. So if we see the alkyne, then the carbon is sp hybridized. Okay, and if we consider alkene, then carbon is sp2 hybridized. So we can say that the percentage of s character in case of alkyne is more as compared to the alkene. So more is the percentage of s character, there is a more electronegativity. So more stable is the carbanion. So whatever carbanion is generated due to alkyne, that carbanion is highly stable. So we can remove this proton by using any base. For example, so sodamide, we can use this sodamide base to abstract this proton to form this ylide, that is known as sodium acetylide. Okay, the name of this is a sodium acetylide, and this sodium acetylide is very important for further nucleophilic reaction or elimination reaction, because this sodium acetylide is used in the alkylation of metal acetylide. So this is very important, that why the alkynes are more acidic as compared to the alkene. So that can be explained from pK values and hybridization. Okay, so let's see further the alkylation of this uh, alkynes. Now, when this sodium acetylide reacts with alkyl halide, say for example, this is a primary alkyl halide, we can say. So when reacted with sterically unhindered primary substrate, so this is a primary alkyl halide. So when this sodium acetylide reacts with primary alkyl halide, then it acts as a nucleophile and attacks on this carbon to remove this bromine. So they give a nucleophilic substitution reaction by SN2 mechanism, and we get this alkylated product. So this is the alkylation of alkyne, we can say. Okay, so this is just a SN2 reaction, but if we use a sterically hindered substrate, then instead of nucleophilic substitution, there is a elimination reaction occurs. Now here, instead of taking primary alkyl halide, if we have taken a secondary alkyl halide or tertiary alkyl halide, then instead of nucleophilic substitution, they give the elimination reaction. So in this case, it acts as a base, and we get this elimination product. Okay, elimination product. So always remember that if acetylide reacts with primary alkyl halide, then there is a nucleophilic substitution, and this acetylide acts as a nucleophile in this case. Okay, but if the substrate is secondary or tertiary alkyl halide, then it acts as a base. So this is very important to remember. So when acetylide acts as a nucleophile and when acetylide acts as a base. So once again I will explain. If primary alkyl halide is used, as a substrate, then acetaldehyde acts as a nucleophile. Okay, so this is very important. And when secondary or tertiary alkyl halide is used as a substrate, then acetaldehyde acts as a base. Then this acetaldehyde acts as a base. So this is all about the alkylation of metal acetaldehyde or alkylation reactions of terminal alkynes. So in this video, we have seen the concept of acidity of terminal alkynes, and due to the acidity of terminal alkynes, they can be converted into their corresponding metal acetaldehydes, and metal acetaldehydes on reaction with primary alkyl halides are converted into their alkylated products. And if we use a secondary or tertiary alkyl halide as a starting material, then there is a elimination occurs. Okay, so this is all about the reaction of terminal alkynes. So in this video we'll stop here, and we'll meet in the next video with a new concept. So have a nice day. Thank you.